Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OAuth for Trello with Microsoft account step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. Once logged in, find your profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Power UPS tab and click on it. Scroll down to find the Add Power UPS section. Search for the Microsoft Power-Up in the search bar. Click on that Add button next to the Microsoft Power-Up to enable it. Once enabled, return to your Trello board. You will see a prompt to authenticate with Microsoft. Click on the Authenticate button to begin the OAuth process. A new window will open, asking for your Microsoft account credentials. Enter your Microsoft email and password, then click Sign In. If prompted, approve the necessary permissions for Trello to access your Microsoft account. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to Trello. You should see a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Now, you can start using Trello integrated with your Microsoft account. Review any additional features or settings available through the Power-Up. Test the integration by creating a task that links to your Microsoft account. This completes the OAuth authorization process for Trello with your Microsoft account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.